Hi guys, it's me again, Joel Borja. Mau kanta na sa ko guys. Unyan ako mo mag-maxim guys kay gawan pa. Mangita ta kog piso ron guys para makapalit ko og binlod. Pagkaos pobre. So, kanta sa ko guys. Yanot ni kanta guys. Huwag nyo na yung masabtan ang maong lyrics. Mayan ko nga hikapon ang matag-usan ninyo ka mga kasing-kasing. Yan. O diha makaingon siguro mo, thank you Lord for your blessings. Okay, right? Try sa guys ha. Ako sa nang gikapa-kapa. Kaya gabi pa siya na ako nakita sa YouTube. While the world looks upon me, I struggle alone, and they say I have nothing, but they are so wrong. In my heart I'm rejoicing, how I wish they could see. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. There's a road up above me, I've a good place to sleep, and there's food on my table, and shoes on my feet. You give me your love, Lord, and a fine family. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. And I know I'm not wealthy, and there's clothes they're not new, and I don't have much money, but Lord, I have you, and that's all that matters, though the world may not see. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. There's a road up above me, I've a good place to sleep, and there's food on my table, and sure